Hello friends, today we are going to see about the origins of drama as a genre in modern literature. Drama has its origin in ancient Greece. It was associated with religious rituals. Dionysius, the chief god of Greeks, was pleased by the priests by enacting before the god. From then, the drama, this enaction, came out of the temple and slowly out of the temple and then to the marketplace where common people assemble. So, from then on, popular folk tales were enacted before the people, and drama as a genre grew, and it attracted the attention of philosophers like Socrates, his disciple Plato, and Plato's disciple Aristotle. Aristotle is the one who defined drama and codified certain rules which should be observed while writing a drama. And in those period, great playwrights like Sophocles, Aeschylus, these people are tragedians. And comedy was also there, but it was not regarded as a serious form. Tragedy was given the greatest regard because according to Aristotle, tragedy purges negative emotions. Because when you watch the end of the tragedy, the climax, or not the climax, but the last scene, everybody used to cry on the plight of the hero because he was such a great man and he fell down from his status because of a small blemish in his character, a small flaw to be correct. So, and then after the fall of the Greek Empire, the Roman Empire rose, and Roman dramatists like Seneca, Plautus, and Terence wrote many plays. Seneca was known for his bloody tragedies, and Plautus and Terence were known for his comedies. And then drama was taken over by the clergymen, and popular scenes from the Bible, mythological stories from the Old Testament and New Testament were enacted in the church to grab the attention of the people and to preach them morals. And slowly then drama again came out of the church to the marketplace, and in the 16th century drama was at its peak in Europe. And you can see playwrights like Shakespeare and John Webster, Thomas Nash, Robert Greene, and many playwrights. And Shakespeare was the most popular one. And slowly drama evolved in the 17th century. So many new genres came into existence, like comedy of errors, comedy of intrigue, and in the 18th century, the anti-sentimental comedy. In the 19th century, many modern drama is set to begin in the 19th century with one Henry Ibsen from Norway. And from then on, there was no looking back. In the 20th century beginning, drama was a potent force, exploring various themes, not only the themes from royal stories, but themes from the low people, poor people, were explored by dramatists. And still now, drama as a genre is potent. Thank you.